So how the heck do you turn all of this milk and only this much rice into a creamy rice pudding? Well, I'll show you all the best techniques and tricks, and hopefully we'll get there. So you're going to want to start with 2 cups of rice in a bowl, and then wash that rice 2 or 3 times in order to get all that starch out. Now soak your rice for at least 2 hours. And watch this riveting footage of the rice expanding. Spread all your rice evenly in a large dish. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten it all up. Mix that around so it's all evenly distributed. Turn on your oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Slowly and gently add 3.5 liters of milk to the rice. It may look like a lot of milk for only that much rice, but most of the milk will evaporate. Sprinkle a good amount of cinnamon all over the top of the milk. This will create a layer on top to bring it all together. Put it into your 250 degree oven. After half an hour, turn your heat right down to 130 degrees Celsius. Let it simmer for another hour and 45 minutes. Then turn the oven off completely and allow it to sit in the fridge overnight.